Okay, see, I just want to say one thing. If they don't keep their promise, that means FSDL and Reliance, openly I'm saying it to you guys. If you don't keep your promise of promotion and relegation, I will come and do a bhook hartal until death outside Nita Ambani's house. You can take it right in here. So they will have to do it. Because my country will only go forward when there's relegation and promotion. And जो उनका employee है Igor Stimac, वो भी यही बात कह रहा है कि कुछ साले यहाँ पे प्रेशर ही नहीं है ISL में, इसलिए तो फटती है बाहर जाके. Hi, bye.
Hi sir, कैसे हैं आप?
Perfect.
बताइए कैसा चल रहा है, किधर हो आप?
Can you hear me? आ रही आवाज?
Yes.
Perfect. Great.
सर बताइए सर, कहाँ हो आप अभी?
Academy man, still working. अभी काम खत्म करना है, again tomorrow morning work, and then after work is finished, then I'll be heading off to Delhi because परसों semi-final है Delhi League का, and then I'll be back again for the classes on 30th, and then I'll be leaving again because 31st को final है. So really busy man, going on.
It's very busy. So सर जरा आप अपने डेली रूटीन के बारे में बताइए, मतलब आजकल आप क्या कर रहे हैं दिन भर? काफी बिजी आपका शेड्यूल रहता होगा
भाई. फोकस तो अभी बिकॉज स्पेशली बिकॉज हमारे पास अभी हमारे बच्चे नहीं हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक एंड वी हैड टू सेंड देम होम. वी वेटिंग के उनका जैसी वैक्सीनेशन शुरू हुए उनको वैक्सीन करके वापस, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट देम टू वर्ल्ड कप बैच टू फॉल बैक. दैट्स व्हाट माय मेन फोकस इज. सो वी वेटिंग के थोड़ी वैक्सीनेशन बच्चों के लिए शुरू हुए हैं. वे कह रहे हैं कि होपफुली किड्स विल बी डन, अंडर 18 विल बी डन बाय September, October. So hopefully then. But till then, the aim is to get back into second division and I-League, which is the number one aim. And एक club हमारा already पहुंच चुका है second division. So in the pandemic, I have been very busy. So we had Tektro. Tektro has not only reached the Indian Women's League fight, they have also qualified for second division in the very first year from Himachal. So that's great. Trying to do the same with Delhi FC. So अगर Delhi FC qualify कर जाएगा, then I'll be handing over the entire Tektro thing to Neeraj, because you know you can't home two teams in the same league. But till that is there, that's the whole point. Point is to go to states. Like that's why I've told Neeraj के लखनऊ में जरूर शुरू करो, यूपी में जरूर शुरू करो, because यूपी की population ही हमारी इतनी ज़्यादा है और वहाँ पे इतना talent है जिनको मौका ही नहीं मिल रहा. And अभी लखनऊ लीग हो रही है. I've heard there are over 40-50 teams participating in लखनऊ लीग. So imagine लखनऊ सीनियर डिवीजन लीग में यूपी में अगर होए तो कितनी क्लब्स और कितनी टीमें 2 सेकंड में आ जाए. तो अभी इन्होंने पहले साल कराया. So imagine the future is very bright. So thinking of going to areas like this. So जहाँ पे लीग नहीं है, जहाँ पे क्लब्स नहीं है, उनको सेकंड डिवीजन पहुँचाना. And then future is then off to them.
जी सर आपका शुरू से ही ये टारगेट रहा कि हमें नॉर्थ इंडिया को टारगेट करना है क्लब फुटबॉल?
Bhai, the target was not that, but last week I actually saw a map. ये I think ISL Trolls ने बनाया था. तो उसमें इन्होंने दिखाया था कि सारी ये जो ISL की टीम्स है कहाँ से हैं. और उसमें मैंने नोटिस किया कि it is just like somebody has divided the country, बीच में से ऐसे काट दिया है. नीचे में सारे states are covered, everybody has a club. और ऊपर एक भी क्लब नहीं है, starting from उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, going up to Bihar, going up to Rajasthan, going up to Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, all these states, and even Gujarat for that matter. Nobody has a club. The half country is divided. So this is the place. See, I don't want. It's very easy going to places जहाँ football है, सब कुछ already है. हमारी कंट्री बोलते इतनी बड़ी स्लीपिंग जायंट बोलते रहते हैं. स्लीपिंग जायंट तब तक स्लीपिंग रहेगा जब तक आधा स्टेट स्लीप कर रहे हैं. So जहाँ पे स्टेट्स स्लीप कर रहे हैं वहां की एफए को जाके थोड़ा हिलाना अच्छी तरह के, ओए the state needs your help. And when I go there to a state, the state knows that if they don't follow what they're supposed to be doing, मैंने presidents को नहीं छोड़ा वहां पे for AIFF. They don't do their job. So they know, state FAs know कि next day I will go and tweet about it and complain and let the world know on कि क्या हो रहा है state. So till now the response of Himachal has been great. Himachal has been doing a great job. पहली बार इन्होंने इतना कुछ कर दिया है, so it's a great thing. Women's League भी करा दी है, ये भी करा दिया, so you know, brilliant. And the same thing happens in UP now. बहुत देर के बाद होएगा, so होएगा तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. राजस्थान में हम देख रहे हैं state leagues are going on. बिहार में देख रहे हैं state leagues are going on. So इन जगहों पे ये खुशी होती है. मुझे खुशी honestly speaking कैलकाटा लीग में देख के नहीं है. वो तो पता है यार, वो तो 100 साल से चल रहा है. तो उसके बारे में अपने आप को शाबाशी देनी बंद करो, बिकॉज वो कलकत्ता वालों ने काम किया, बंगाल वालों ने काम किया. हर स्टेट का अपना ड्यूटी बनता है कि वो काम करे जो बंगाल ने किया. इमेजिन अगर हमारा हर 100 साल से हर स्टेट में लीग होती तो कहां पहुंचता है इंडियन फुटबॉल. इमेजिन. So just making sure football starts in every bloody corner of India, man. Then we are a giant. Right now we are a sleeping giant.
तो सर क्या आपने कभी सोचा कि आप AIFF के प्रेसिडेंट बनोगे? I mean,
ये
अगर आप बन गए,
माय गॉड इतना ज्यादा आता है मेरे को एवरी सिंगल प्ले. मैं कोई कमेंट प्रफुल्ल पटेल बेचारे का कोई कमेंट करता है, वो कहता है कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू दिस एंड विनिंग दिस अवार्ड. उसको नीचे साले कहते हैं साले रिजाइन, साले छोड़ दे, अब तो छोड़ दे. And people are telling me they become president. See, the point is, I think I can do much more from outside, because once you are in the system, you can become part of the system. Or no matter who you are, end of the day फिर वही बन जाता है. See, मेरे को क्या चाहिए? मुझे बनाओ head of youth development and then leave me alone. I don't want to be president of AIFF. President of AIFF will not fucking improve the country. The head of youth development will improve. मुझे head of youth development मिलाओ AIFF का, and I will take the country forward. And I don't want to become president. I want to be head of something where I can sit in the ground for 14 hours a day and do that work. जो president का क्या काम है? ये जो वर्ल्ड कप लाना, ये जो चैंपियनशिप लाना, ये करी जाए. मेरे को ताल्लुक है कि उस चैंपियनशिप जो लाएगा उसमें हमारे को एंट्री मिले हमारे दम पे, not because we are hosts of that championship. जो अभी तक हो रहा है, जो भी हम होस्ट करते हैं उसमें हमारे को एंट्री मिल जाती है, तो वो that's enough, man. We shouldn't be doing that anymore.
सर आप काफी बिगिनिंग से पूछूंगा मैं, तो हाउ मिनर्वा बिकम ए थिंग? मिनर्वा कैसे स्टार्ट किया आपने?
भाई it was accident. So accident ऐसा अच्छा accident ये था कि हम it was my comeback into football. तो 33 साल की उम्र पे I said okay fine, I've left my corporate job, I'm going to get into this again. The country, मैंने अपनी country को represent किया है. So just for my fitness I started playing football, but I saw that touch था, especially goalkeepers actually become better with age, so it wasn't that much of a struggle to get back into fitness. 34 की एज पे मैं संतोष ट्रॉफी खेली फिर से. संतोष ट्रॉफी में चंडीगढ़ की टीम did very well. Normally we small city we don't do well, we don't even qualify. So we did really well and I was the captain. Once we did that, I thought कि जो लड़के मेरे साथ खेले हैं they deserve to be having clubs. और हमारे चंडीगढ़ में 16 साल से स्टेट चैंपियनशिप ही नहीं हुई थी. फिर I went and requested them कि आप सीनियर स्टेट चैंपियनशिप कराओ, मुझे क्लब को लेके जाने दो, और मुझे पता है कि मेरे खर्चे जो हैं, कहते सेकंड डिवीजन में कैसे खेलोगे, जीत भी जाओगे. तो मैं कहा बिकॉज खर्चे मेरे हैं ही नहीं, सारे प्लेयर की जो सैलरी देता हूँ ये सारे प्लेयर मेरे पास हैं, मेरे जो मेरे लड़के हैं इनको खिलाऊंगा मैं. आई विल टेक माय ओन बॉयज, आई डोंट वांट टू गेट बॉयज फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, बिकॉज इनको अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही है, पंजाब के लड़कों को, चंडीगढ़ के लड़कों को, हरियाणा के लड़कों को. सो दे सेड ओके फाइन, तो पहले जीतो. उन्होंने उनको लगा कि क्लब्स नहीं एंटर करेंगे. इन्होंने खोला, 16 साल के बाद चंडीगढ़ में हुआ सीनियर स्टेट चैंपियनशिप. 42 क्लब्स टुक पार्ट ओवरनाइट. 42 क्लब्स. इमेजिन, तरस रहे हैं लोग, जहां पे भी जाओ तुम करो, देखो कैसे एंट्री आती है. So 42 clubs took part. We won. Good. We were very happy that we won. The same year we went on to the second division. We did really well. We were runners up to Tempo. Mohammedan Sporting को घर जाके हराया, Tempo को भी हराया हमने, Neroka को हराया. Neroka was also at the same time there. So they were very tough teams. That Lone Star Kashmir was there with us in the same thing. So they were very good teams. And Gangtok Himalayan. And after doing that, जब Tempo withdrew, तो हमारे को मौका मिल गया, because Tempo withdrew as champions. उनको qualify होना था, वो withdraw करके, तो मैंने बोला कि हमें मौका दो. कहते AIFF वाले कहते नहीं, we're not going to give you a shot. If you want to come in, then you have to pay us 3 crores. मैं क्या बात कर रहे हो, 3 लाख नहीं है बैंक अकाउंट में, 3 करोड़ की बात कर रहे हो तुम. मैं कहता हूँ कि मैंने इंडिया की फुटबॉल के लिए अभी तक 2 साल में एज अ सेकंड डिवीजन क्लब क्या किया है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट 6 प्लेयर्स इन द अंडर 15 टीम. उस टाइम पे अंडर 15 टीम वाज डूइंग वेरी वेल. वी वर पहले साल में हम चैंपियन बन गए थे अंडर 15 में. because of my junior program and AFF saw that I was developing juniors, I got entry into the I League and उन्होंने बोला कि there is no corporate entry, so अगर पहले साल relegate हो गया तो गया बाहर. मैं कहा done, no problem, मैंने पैसे नहीं देने, मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूँ. और वो हम बच गए, थोड़े से बच गए और relegate नहीं हुए. पर जिस साल पहले साल was all a learning experience because within 2015 में क्लब फॉर्म किया, 2016 में we were in the I League, 2017 में we were I League champions. उसके अगले साल जाके जीत लिया. 2017-18 इतना वंडरफुल सीजन था कि हमने अंडर 13 भी जीत लिया, अंडर 15 भी जीत लिया, अंडर 18 भी जीत लिया, सीनियर भी जीत लिया. एंड ऐसे मेन चीज ये क्या है, कोई भी कर सकता है करने के लिए, मगर अभी तक नहीं हुआ. जितने मर्जी पैसे खर्च किए लोगों ने, नहीं हुआ. और हमारे पास पैसे थे नहीं, हम सबसे भिखारी टीम थे आउट ऑफ द एंटायर लॉट. भाई गॉड बॉस, अगर मैं ऐसी हालत हो गई थी भाई कि मेरे को मेरे कोच ने बोला, कॉलम टोल आया था तो उसको पैसे देने बहुत मुश्किल हो रहे थे, तो वो कहता ना हमारे को लैडर्स चाहिए, लैडर्स, तो वो नीचे लगाने वाली. तो मैंने कहा यार लैडर्स मैंने देखा फोन पे, जो वहां से उसने मंगवाई 6,000 रुपए की लैडर. मैं कहा क्या बात कर रहा है, 10 लैडर 6,000, 60,000 रुपया, पागल हो गया तू. मैं बताता हूँ तेरे को, ईंटें रखेगा तो उनको पैर उठाना ही पड़ेगा. फिर हमने लैडर की जगह ईंटें रखी, सो आवर लैडर वाज द ईंटें. तो हमने ऐसे काम करके we have come through, and it's proven that why do you think Brazil has won the World Cup 5 times? Not because they have money, they are even poorer than us. Yes. So they don't require money to. I have never seen a bag of money score a football goal. Yes. At the end of the day, 11 versus 11. See, that's why it's a beautiful game. Why do you think I was so against the ISL? I'm not against ISL. ISL is beautiful. It's developing Indian football as long as it's an open league. कि दम है तो मेरिट पे खेलो. मतलब कि अगर तुम्हारे को आई लीग टीम बीट करे तो you should be allowed to play with you. The only thing which I don't like is that you have to pay 15 crores a year to a private person. That means it's not good. See, in IPL जितना भी पैसा BCCI कमा रहा है उनको वापस लगाना पड़ रहा है फुटबॉल क्रिकेट में. क्यों? क्योंकि they have to, it's a government body. अब जितना भी पैसा आगे जाके ISL आगे के टाइम पे कमाएगा, क्योंकि इंडियन फुटबॉल विल बिकम बिग, जब कमाएगा वो सारा पैसा जाएगा एक प्राइवेट पर्सन के जेब में और साथ में उसके स्टार स्पोर्ट्स की जेब में. अब जितना पैसा, सो हियर आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट ISL, हियर आई एम अगेंस्ट स्टार स्पोर्ट्स. क्यों? जितना भी वर्ल्ड में फुटबॉल है ब्रॉडकास्ट राइट्स के पैसों से चल रहा है भाई, और यहाँ पे ब्रॉडकास्टर ओन्स द लीग. So that means there will never be an auction of the rights. That means there will never be that mega money coming in to the clubs. There will be mega money coming into Reliance and to Star Sports, but not to the clubs. That is why people like Parth Jindal are coming out very openly and saying 25 crores a year we are losing even in the 6th year. It is not right. Out of the 10 teams which started by, 5 have shut down ISL clubs, and 3 of them right now are I League clubs. So रह कितने के ओरिजिनल में? 2 या 3 जो ओरिजिनल शुरू हुए थे आउट ऑफ दोस 10. सो अब डेंजर ये है कि जब तक ये, अगर सपोज 5 साल के बाद जब 2 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म हो गया and these ISL clubs think, oh my god, we have a chance of being relegated. See, the moment you're relegated, it's the same thing in England. आप प्रीमियर लीग से चैंपियनशिप में जाओगे तो तुम्हारा अगर क्लब का वैल्यू 100 मिलियन है तो 10 मिलियन पे आ जाएगा. सेम वे इस टाइम पे ISL क्लब्स, हर एक क्लब की वैल्यू 200, 300, 400 करोड़ मिनिमम है. Minimum. I'm not even talking about Mumbai and ATK Mohun Bagan. They are even more. 200 से 400 करोड़. जैसे ही वो आई लीग में आएंगे रेलीगेट होके, उनकी वैल्यू रह जाएगी 20 to 40 करोड़. So उनकी इस बात पे बड़ी फट रही है. But that is football. But that is football ना भाई. अगर तुम घर, ये तो फिर घर की बात होगी ना. Then merit is, see, the only thing which should happen is merit. Merit is what should decide any sport. Where money comes in and decides who plays, who doesn't play. The richer guy will play. Why? Because there's a billionaire's team. This guy, he is from a very poor background. पैसे पूसे नहीं है, but इसी की टीम बहुत अच्छी, साली सबको मार देती है. नहीं यार, इसको एंट्री नहीं देनी, ये 15 करोड़ दे रहा है, इसको एंट्री देनी. How can you do that in sports? So ये मेरी फाइट थी. And if we don't end that soon, we will be in a very big problem because right now the only thing which matters to everybody is money, and that is not how you develop football. That's why nobody is thinking like me 15 years in advance. क्योंकि वर्ल्ड कप पहुंचना है तो 5, 6, 7, 8 साल के स्पेंड करो, और ये लोग सिर्फ कहते हैं हमने इस साल ISL जीतना है, तो उसके लिए कौन सा सबसे बड़ा स्टार मंगवाएं. तो जितने पैसे ये एक रॉय कृष्णा को देते हैं उस पे मैं 5 साल में 100 प्लेयर प्रोड्यूस करता हूँ. That is what the mistakes they are making. And then they'll keep paying other countries to become. So Roy Krishna will probably go with this money and open an academy in Fiji and produce 50 players for Fiji. After he retires, इस पैसे से यही करेगा और क्या करेगा? इंडिया थोड़ा अकेडमी खोलेगा.
सर यहाँ एक सवाल है इसलिए सब हुआ है कि इन्वेस्टर ने नहीं मिला सिटी सीमेंट के साथ. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि ईस्ट बंगाल जैसे हिस्टोरिक क्लब को आईएसएल के ग्रीड के कारण काफी इफेक्ट करना पड़ रहा है?
You know what? I'll be honest. Till Mohun Bagan and East Bengal were in I-League, they could not touch I-League. I-League was still the number 1 league of the country. Because Mohun Bagan और East Bengal के बिना कोई लीग नंबर 1 अपने आप को कह ही नहीं सकती है. At least इंडिया में. That's like सेम चीज वो कह रहे थे सुपर क्लब्स के 6 क्लब वो हटा देंगे तो प्रीमियर लीग कौन देखेगा. सेम है मोहन बगान ईस्ट बंगाल को जैसे ही उन्होंने ले लिया तो आई लीग कौन देखेगा. बट उनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि मोहन बगान इज नॉट मोहन बगान विदाउट ईस्ट बंगाल. मोहन बगान इज आल्सो मोहन बगान बिकॉज ऑफ ईस्ट बंगाल एंड ईस्ट बंगाल इज ईस्ट बंगाल बिकॉज ऑफ मोहन बगान. दे हैव टू बोथ प्ले एंड दे शुड. ईस्ट बंगाल फैंस के साथ जो हो रहा है इस टाइम पे इतना गलत हो रहा है. इनफैक्ट मेरी पर्सनल बैटल्स हुई हैं इस बंदे के साथ, ये जो नीतू सरकार है. इन पहले साल मैंने इल्जाम लगाया था ईस्ट बंगाल ऑफिशियल पे कि इन्होंने मेरे प्लेयर्स को इलीगल अप्रोच की है. उस टाइम तक इट वाज अ वेरी ओपन थिंग कि कोई भी बड़ा क्लब आके कोई भी छोटे क्लब से ले जाता था. रूल्स वर नेवर फॉलोड. आई मेड ऑफिशियल कंप्लेन अबाउट इट. Once I made official complaint about it and I gave them proof, they banned East Bengal's transfers. That cost them the title next year. Then after that, when they lost the title, they tried to blame Minerva for that. Then next year again, imagine the kind of money they used to spend and again comes second, third. It was not because of anything else. It was all because of these officials. All the players who played for East Bengal, I know them personally. उनमें से 90% of them कहते हैं कि ये officials पैसे लेके खिलवाते हैं. That means they actually take money from signed players और जो उनको अपना कट देगा सैलरी में से उनको खिलाते हैं. So it's like their own personal thing and they don't understand. They don't own the clubs. They are officials. See, I can say that ये क्लब जो मिनर्वा या दिल्ली एफसी ये मेरा है because ये क्योंकि क्या हमारे पास फैंस नहीं है. वहाँ पे when you have over 1 crore, 2 crore fans, how can you say that you are anything except a servant? And they don't behave like servants. They try to behave like kings. Who are the kings? The fans are the kings. The fans will always be the kings. The reason I went to Delhi FC is because of the fans. It's because of the ultras. It's because of what they lost there. And what I want to give the capital city of India back. Because what happened with them was wrong. So I wanted to give it back to them. So because of the fans I went to Delhi. They have to understand that all these decisions, East Bengal में मेरा नाम हिस्ट्री में लिखा जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने वहां जाके मैच हारा हूं या जीता हूं, जो भी करा हूं, जो भी ईस्ट बंगाल मोहन बगान के साथ होता है हिस्ट्री में लिखा जाता है. ठीक है. अब इस बंदे की क्या हिस्ट्री बोलेगी? इस बंदे ने क्लब को रुइन किया. 14 साल से ईस्ट बंगाल के पास टाइटल नहीं आया आई लीग में. Do you really think a club like that stature deserves that? It is not because of anything else, because of the officials. That's it. By the way, even मोहन बगान इतने खुश होने वाली बात नहीं because उनके ऑफिशियल भी बिल्कुल सेम थे और उन्होंने सिर्फ क्या किया, अच्छी बात, जो टाइटल जीते, कीबू बुकुना को छेड़ा नहीं. They totally left him alone. They didn't interfere and they won the title single-handedly. नहीं तो मोहन बगान भी लास्ट 5 साल से यही हो रहा था उनके साथ भी. लास्ट में आके क्यों officials? So unless you have officials who think they are servants of the club, only then the club will do well. Fans are always the kings.
So since we are talking about Mohun Bagan, what do you make of the merger between ATK and Mohun Bagan?
There are still people who say that, a friend of mine who's on one of the groups, which is WhatsApp groups, he football pundits, उसमें वो चिरंजीत हो जाए, and he's a very big Mohun Bagan fan, and he keeps on saying, नहीं, it's Mohun Bagan and ATK is just a sponsor. I have a very another good friend who's an ATK fan, and ATK says we own him, and Mohun Bagan is just because we want to please them. This is still happening. But end of the day, you can't say that Mohun Bagan can claim the history of ATK. चाहे 5 बार वो ISL जीते, this is not Mohun Bagan. ATK can't claim Mohan Bagan's history. But imagine तुमने कितने साल की हिस्ट्री मार दी है just to make this merger. चलो 5 साल की ATK की मारी है, 100 से ऊपर साल की मोहन बगान, because this doesn't exist as, see, having a sponsor Kingfisher East Bengal is different than Kingfisher owning East Bengal. Very big difference. And that's what happened, right? And I think what they did was right, that they kept the logo and they kept the jersey colors. So they showed that the fans matter to them. And here, even though Quest East Bengal, when Quest was there, Quest showed that fans mattered. Corporates को पता है पैसे किससे कमाने हैं, फैंस से कमाने हैं भाई, तो फैंस से थोड़ा पंगा लोगे. Corporates will never fuck with the fans. But officials are doing this to fans because they don't care about the club. Corporates care about their own greed, even, and they know कि अगर हम fans को नहीं करेंगे, so it's better to at least go with Bangur. So at least he's going to spend money, he's going to look after the club, everything is going to be professionalized, man. You don't require 1950s, 60s, 70s people telling you what to do. This is the new generation, man. If that generation was doing great, learn from them. But that generation sucks. Throw them out. Take over yourself. Simple.
Sir, one comment is asking that can Anwar Ali and Himanshu Jangra play abroad? क्या ये दोनों विदेश में खेल सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल खेल सकते हैं विदेश में. और इस टाइम पे अगर सपोज वैसे होपफुली हमारा कुछ ना कुछ अनवर अली का हो जाए अभी यहाँ पे, because he's right now the best center back India has, guaranteed by far. Because he's why I'm saying best, because I consider him, and I mean, this is a big statement, I consider him at this time to be almost as good as Sandesh Jhingan. But इसका added advantage क्या, साला ये गोल भी मारता है. और मैंने सेंटर बैक देखे नहीं ऐसे जो गोल भी मारते हैं यार. So बहुत मुश्किल होता है to find a goal scoring center back. Okay, goal scoring midfield, right back, left back, ये सब सुना है. Goal scoring center back नहीं सुना. And he's got that in him since the very beginning. Since 13. इसने पंजाब को under 14 national जिताया था with a free kick as well. So since that time he's doing it. He can definitely play, and if he doesn't get an offer here, I'll definitely take him abroad next year. वो तो अभी 2 साल पहले ही ले जाता, ये pandemic ना होता. Himanshu Jangra को अभी game time चाहिए. So any club which offers me, I've got a lot of offers for him. In fact, I've got 3 clubs right now, 2 in the I League, 1 in the ISL fighting for Himanshu. I know that there is no other striker. एक Shubha Paul है, who's little bit good, और एक Himanshu Jangra है, और यही दोनों under 13 में उस टाइम अच्छे थे. Top scorer अगर उस टाइम under 13 I League की देखोगे, Himanshu Jangra and Shubha Paul were fighting for the title of the top scorer. Shubha Paul's performance a little bit went down. Himanshu's went up in the under 15, 16. He did really well. Whereas now Shubha Paul has started doing well as again. So यही दो striker हैं, है ही नहीं कोई और है ही नहीं. There's nothing else.
Sir, another question: which clubs offered Himanshu Jangra from ISL and I League? So the fan has asked.
So according to the agreements, I can't tell you guys right now, but I promise you, जब ये होएगा तो मैं ही news break करूँगा. Don't worry.
ओके सर, फाइन. सर, तो मैंने देखा आपके पीछे अनवर अली की फोटो है, एक फ्री किक लेते हुए.
तो मेरी अनवर अली की वर्ल्ड कप की फोटो है, मेरे बच्चों की है, जैक्सन की फोटो है, नॉन्ग की फोटो है, फिर एक मेरी मोहन बगान वालों ने फैंस ने मुझे दिया है, फिर ये मेरी आई लीग की ट्रॉफी है, और फिर ये मेरे वर्ल्ड कप भी रखा हुआ है मेरे वर्ल्ड कप बैच को करने के लिए. So ये मेरा basically this is my, I'll give you a view of my office. There's some signed photos of my favorite players and those are champions जहाँ हम champion बने हैं, और ये trophies है जो हमने इस साल जीती हैं. So these are the ones we won this year. You got a view of my office as well.
सर, तो काफी प्राउड मोमेंट होगा जब भी कोई मिनर्वा का प्लेयर अच्छा करता होगा. जैसे जैक्सन स्कोर्ड इन वर्ल्ड कप, विकास युमनम find his name in the Guardians list.
Jackson is a CFA. Once again, Jackson is a CFA product. No, he's not. He's only in CFA for 8 months. He was with us for 4 months. And you can ask Jackson himself. Jackson will tell you कि कहाँ का लगा. Yes, tell me.
Sir,
अब बोलो.
How did you, मतलब जब आपने क्लब स्टार्ट किया था एकेडमी, तो आपने क्या-क्या सोच के मतलब आपको तो स्ट्रगल के बारे में पता होगा ना कि आपको क्या क्या स्ट्रगल आके फेस करना होगा इन शॉर्ट टर्म लॉन्ग टर्म, तो क्या क्या आपके दिमाग में था?
I knew that I was going to struggle because हमारा कुछ था ही नहीं, हमारा यहाँ पे ना कोई बेस था, ना हम पहले फुटबॉल क्लब थे, ब्रांड न्यू क्लब 5-a-side 6-a-side फुटबॉल खेलता था, जो वहां से शुरू करके यहाँ पे पहुंचाया टू शो पीपल के पैसे के बिना भी पहुंच सकते हैं. It is just sheer hard work. Nothing known as money or talent. It's just hard work. And not only me, why anyone can do it. Everyone has to do it. Somebody is asking me views about Northeast players. I think Northeast players are found the backbone of our country in all age groups. In fact, thank you so much, Master Milan. I'm the sweetest person. Thank you so much. So, and the backbone of our country, Northeast. In fact, if we didn't have Northeast players right now, India would have been at least 20 years even further behind. Because why? It's not something special. They have baby leagues. They start at a very young age. That's the only thing they play. So they have to be damn good. Somebody's asking the views in the next match in the semi-final. Nikhil, the views are that we have to win, man. We always go for a win. So we were very disappointed with the draw with Garhwal. In fact, they played really well to come back from 2-0 down in the last 20 minutes and score 2. I always support East Bengal, man. And someone's telling me to check my DM. I will after that. RGP, I have too many questions. RGPS will not play in ISL. I hope it's East Bengal and not RGPS, because before that, East Bengal has to be there. The league will be horrible if there is no East Bengal and there is Mohun Bagan. We're going to be coming to Uttarakhand very soon. See, it's not better. All players are good. It depends on who's the better player. So some Haryana players, Himanshu Jangra, Haryana lad, Chaman, Karthik, 3 boys under 16 teams are right now with me, all 16. Views on Round Glass Punjab, see, they need to prove themselves in the juniors. I gave them a platform and I've given them my best players. So they need to start producing players. Simple. And unless they do that, spending money on the top is, again, see, getting into the ISL was not the thing. Making sure that you produce players for your country. That's what Round Glass should have done. And hopefully they will. Hopefully they will.
Sir, last year when we interviewed Yanda in this channel, he was saying about that कि आपने उन्होंने he was like Ranjit Bajaj trusted in Yanda even before Yanda trusted in Yanda. Tell us something about that.
Yan is family now. So in fact, I've taken it on myself that my job will be over when one coach is from India, Indian coach becomes the head coach of a ISL team. I've been asking this from year one. I really think Indians are as good as Europeans. You have to trust them. And once you start trusting Indian coaches, like you did Khalid Jamil, you saw the results there. You got to start trusting them. They'll pay you back. And I paid, and I got Yan, and he's paying me back. He's the youngest ever A license in India. In fact, I've got 3 other coaches with me after Yan, who are also joining in the same thing. So I give chances not only to players, it's to physios, to interns, to social media guys, anything, man, anything. Because see, football may develop. You can't just develop the players. You have to develop the entire game around it, not just the players, the coaches, the physios, the video analysts, the massage guys. Everybody has to be taken to the higher level. I already said I think Khalid Jamil is a great coach, but before that, somebody had asked me about Anwar Ali. I think Anwar Ali is, like I said earlier, that he's the best defender, but I think AFF needs to wake up now. Enough is enough. They can't keep wasting him. See, the point is very simple. Second division this year, Anwar Ali, out of all the national players, has played the maximum football any footballer has played in India. Why? Because I made him play in 3 state leagues, man. 3. And I made him play 6 matches in 20 days. That means after every 2 days, 3 days, he was playing a match. So he has played around 45 matches in the last 1 year. So he's proved his fitness more than anybody else. So and that's a AFF tournament. State leagues are AFF tournaments. Second division qualifiers are AFF tournaments. So if they are tournaments, they have to be registered, CMS, CRS, everything has to be registered, transferred. So AFF has given permission for them to play in state leagues. Simple. That means they think he's fit enough to play there. But how come he's not fit enough to play in ISL? How can they say that safety levels are more or less? So if something happens to him, suppose something happens to him in a state league, the chances of him surviving are more in a state league or it happening in ISL like Ericsson के साथ हुआ 2 मिनट में ठीक करके कर दिया. I mean, what are you trying to do? So either you have some reasoning. Okay, so who's the guy who's given his thing? The Dr. Sanjay Sharma, who's the doctor, who's the head of the press. He should be playing right now because there are people who are in Indian football, in world football. And there's been never an event with Anwar. There's never been anything wrong. There's never been an incident. So I think when you've got top cardiologists of the world, which are better than the ones here in India, I mean, talking about sports cardiology, जो करते इस चीज में डील हैं, वो अपना करियर लाइन पे लाके कह रहे हैं कि इसको खेलने दो. So hopefully we don't lose talent because of the apathy of AFF.
ignorance of AI. सर, तो आपको क्या लगता है, apart from promotion and relegation, what are the major changes ISL should take?
Oh,
ऐसे में क्या-क्या changes हैं?
I've been fighting for making sure there are only 4 foreigners. Why? Because the moment you go to the ACL, the Champions League, you already giving yourself a disadvantage. FC Goa, the entire year, last year, they had played with just they have 6-7 foreigners in the team. And right in the Champions League, तुमने कहा हटा लो 3 Indian और डाल दो. So the coach is already screwed. The team is already screwed, man. Yes, they gave a great performance, but imagine if that entire Indian team had played all throughout the ISL. Imagine how they would have played then. So we cut our own feet. We don't try to help ourselves. So that's why I wanted 4 foreigners. Because जो rules follow AFC में हो रहे हैं, वो rules follow करो कि जब हमारी टीम वहाँ पे जाए, हमारे लिए advantage हो, disadvantage ना हो भाई. And that is, उसके ऊपर से क्या हो रहा है? Everybody is asking, at least 5 questions I've seen here. सुनील छेत्री कैसे आएगा सुनील छेत्री दिल्ली की लीग से आया था. दिल्ली की लीग की बैन बजी हुई थी till last year. For the last 10 years, no problem. I mean, it was in a very bad way. वहां से ऐसी लीग से आते हैं सुनील छेत्री, अनहर्ड ऑफ लीग से. एंड सुनील छेत्री कैसे आएगा? जब उसको गेम टाइम मिलेगा. गेम टाइम उसको कैसे मिलेगा? जब तुम्हारे पास 2 फॉरनर स्ट्राइकर बीच में या बीच में मिडफील्डर और पीछे सेंटर बैक है, तो सेंटर बैक को कभी गेम टाइम नहीं मिलेगा और आगे नहीं मिलेगा. So you're reducing the game. Now, earlier, boys used to say, I want to become a striker. Now, boys say, I want to be a right back or left back.
So, sir, how do you think that things will change after the implementation of?
Somebody's asking about Jimson Hahn said some academy asked for money for selection from trial. Yes, that's true. In fact, a lot of clubs are doing that, and I totally am against it. In fact, you can never ask even 1 rupee for a trial. Yes, the money you have to spend to get to a trial and back is yours, but trial should never be charged. Maurya, we're trying to give you the highlights from the next thing. Right now, we can't give them because, the other teams can do it. So we will make sure, Maurya, issue that we will give you the entire highlights of each and every match of the Delhi League. I promise you that.
Sir, how did you got into the extreme sports like scuba diving, mountaineering? Like, I heard about all these things that you have done this.
So this was about challenging myself. वो लोग कहते हैं कि सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या दुनिया का, तो कहते हैं क्या साले तूने माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ लिया. तो मैंने कहा साले वही चढ़ के दिखाते हैं, फिर तभी पता लगेगा. Because see, the competition there is not with anything, it's with you. You're the one thing. It was a great experience. It taught me a lot about myself. And in fact, when I got that record there, Asian record of in the coldest water swim, that showed me that anything is possible. Because मैं ऐसा बंदा हूँ, so मेरे को record बनाया मैंने coldest water में जाके swim करने का in the highest altitude. और मैं ऐसा बंदा हूँ जिसकी आजकल 45 डिग्री में फटती है ठंडे पानी में नहाने में. मैं अभी भी गर्म पानी में नहाता हूँ. So if I can do it, that just means anyone can do it. You just have to believe in yourself. That's it. Why not telecast Delhi League? That you have to ask Shaji Prabhakaran, the president of DSA. If it was me, I would have definitely been doing it. But I don't know. And selectors are not selecting players from the I-League because they've been told by FSDL Reliance not to select players from the I-League. Simple as that. Earlier, 2 months ago, Igor Stimac was saying, I'm looking at everybody. Then he was made to come out with a statement that if you want to get into the Indian national team, you have to be in the ISL. Simple. He said that.
Sir, since it's the topic of Igor Stimac, what do you think about the current performance of Indian national team and the
Yeah, before that, I want to tell something. Somebody asked me, Kush Vishal, about AFCAI. AFCAI is my organization which I started, but it's not mine, it's for the country. AFCAI is Association of Football Clubs and Academies in India. It's specially meant for not ISL I-League clubs, it's meant for tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 city clubs from villages, from small places. And what do? We help you. We help you develop. How much do we charge? Zero. You want help in sessions, you want help in training your coaches, you want social media help, you want us to help you get accredited with the national organization, we'll do everything for you and we will not charge money. That's what AFCAI is for, making Indian football develop at the grassroots.
So you were about to say about the national team performance.
So Igor Stimac, I think I can't judge any national team coach because you've never given people there, man. You've never given time with the team. 1 week with the team and then you say the coach is bad or good. How's that? Coach के साथ अगर तुम 6 महीने रखोगे team, then you can decide. I mean, and who doesn't give them? ISL doesn't give them time off. Right now, at least 45-day camp तो होना चाहिए ना before a national tournament. How can you have a 1 week camp? Thank you, Tarun. Minerva, love you guys. Yeah, Residential Academy, yes, starts from 5 years. Anish Siddiqui, respect your passion. Oh, I support South players. In fact, the best new talent which is coming up, I think, from South India is a boy from Kerala called Shreyas Viji, who's right now in the Navy, and I'm trying to develop him. Yes, Souvik Das definitely deserves ISL. He should be in an ISL team right now. Definitely. Age doesn't matter to me at all in my team. In fact, that's why I played people like Anwar Ali Senior, who last year were 34, 35, and I played Himanshu Janga in the same team, who was 15. So the difference between both of them was that when Anwar Ali was 17, Himanshu wasn't even born then. And both of them were playing at the same time, at the same age.
Sir, one fan has asked, what are your thoughts on Sudeva?
Sudeva, see, I think they did a very brave thing by playing only Indians, but that was also because they had a corporate entry and they were allowed not being relegated this year, so they took that risk. But it's a great thing, and they showed people that Indians can do as well because they didn't do as badly as predicted by people. So it's good. It's good what they are doing, but I think they can do much better because they are at a club in Delhi, the only club from Delhi which is in the I-League. They should now try to win the I-League, and that will be great.
Sir, how was your experience in the roadies? I heard that you were a part of season.
Before that, my views on Dynamo's Ultras. The Ultras are my family. Okay. Last time, it was my time. It was from Chennai to Chel. That means from Chennai to Himachal Pradesh. 4,400 kilometers, 40 days. And it was the best. Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara. Because for the first time, I'd actually seen my country, man. 40 days, what I saw. I didn't see Australia, New Zealand, Africa, Europe. Everywhere I went. All the beauties I saw in all those 3 continents, I saw in my one country.
Another question for the fans is, what do you think about Jamshedpur FC? The academy, the structure.
Okay.
The Tata
so you really asked me a question which is really close to my heart. Minerva was formed following the footsteps of Tata Football Academy. Tata Football Academy, for the last 15 years, was regarded as the holy grail. मतलब सारे Indian players वहीं से आते थे, सारे के सारे. And I thought कि जब जमशेदपुर आएगा, it will take Tata Football Academy's level to the level of Ajax Academy or something like that, because already TFA was very good. So imagine if you get Jamshedpur coming in, the facilities in this. Since the time Jamshedpur has come in, not even one player has been produced by Tata Football Academy. Not even one. Their entire budget has gone towards the junior teams of Jamshedpur. That would be great if Jamshedpur's junior teams were doing great. But unfortunately, they are not doing great at all. So it's really sad. Okay, Vishal has asked, Sudeva is charging 5 lakh fees for every player. I really don't want to comment on that, bro. So you know what I mean by that. Okay. Hopefully we're going to play next whenever the under 13 I-League happens, right? So as soon as it happens, we'll be there. because that's the kind of tournaments I want to play, the under 13s, under 11s, under 10s, under 9s.
Sir, what are the values and facilities that Minerva give to its players?
Okay, so great question. What I did in the pandemic was, other than getting all these small clubs and trying to make them big clubs, I tried to improve the academy and try to make it a world-class place. So we've got a brand new 5,500 square foot gym. All the money which I got from Round Glass for the club went off in paying the loans and investing back into the academy. We've got a brand new swimming pool with a hydrotherapy pool. We've got a brand new another ground. So we've got 7 grounds now. We've got an inside physiotherapy center. So that means in our 25-30 acre campus, we've got food, hostel, physio, pool, gym, 7-8 grounds, 18 classrooms. Everything is inside. You don't need to leave that place. So you've got volleyball, basketball, table tennis, foosball, head tennis, football. You've got all the sports available here. So the footballers are made to play other sports so that they get out of their comfort zone. Why? Because you only grow outside your comfort zone when you have to use your brain. So Sham ko, just to get their minds off, instead of cooling down by running, they cool down by playing volleyball or head volleyball.
Sir, how did you spotted the likes of Chencho, Kiran Chemchong, like some subcontinent players for your team?
I saw the movie called Moneyball and I really got inspired by it. I'm a data analyst freak. I'm a stats freak. I'm probably one of the biggest freaks of stats in the country. In fact, my favorite coach is Marcelo Bielsa, and he's like my god. I follow him a lot. In fact, Pep Guardiola follows him. Jurgen Klopp follows him. All the great coaches follow him. Vishal is saying I was selected in Sudeva, but I was unable to play the fees. Unfortunately, Vishal, I'm so sorry, man, this happened. And if this actually happened with you, this is really wrong and it should not have happened. It's wrong. You cannot charge so much fees for making somebody play. If you select someone, then he's supposed to get 100% scholarship. Okay, that's the thing. But I don't know what happened, so I can't comment on it. You were asking me something, just got totally put by the questions, man. What was the question? What was the question, bro?
Okay, sir.
He also got
Sir, one fan has asked, as a fan, हम लोग कैसे contribute कर सकते हैं for the better?
So yeah, so see Chencho and how did I select? So Moneyball.
Oh, Chencho.
I went and started. It's very, very simple. Football is a game. If a striker, doesn't matter you're from Bhutan, man. Doesn't matter you're 18 years old, 19 years old. Doesn't matter your country is losing 6-1 to China, 7-2 to Japan, and 5-1 to Korea. Who's scoring that 1 and 2 and 1? It was always Chencho. If you can score against these countries, that means you are being in Bhutan scoring against these countries. Oh my God, that guy deserves it. Same with Kiran Chemchong. I've never seen a keeper who's so confident with his feet. So, and then people never used to give them a chance because Nepal ke hain. और नेपाल का बेस्ट प्लेयर है भाई वो, भूटान का बेस्ट प्लेयर है, इंडिया का बेस्ट प्लेयर देखो कौन है, सुनील चेत्री है. Is he better than a foreigner? Yes, he is. Obviously he is. He's as good, if not better, at least as good as a foreigner. So if you get the best player of the country, obviously he's going to be good, and people don't understand that. It doesn't matter where you're from. If you're the best player of that area, trust me, you're best player because of some reason. Views on Punjabi players, Bhaji, Punjabi players have got all, we always see every club will always have 3, 4, 5 Punjabi players, because without Punjabi players, you don't have the physical strength, the stamina and physical strength and physicality to deal with other teams. So, Punjab, Haryana, all. Views on Naurem, I think Nong is somebody who can change a match. See, the whole point of football is overloading. हर चीज जो कोच प्लान करता है कि हमने इस टीम को ओवरलोड का मतलब है कि अगर हम उनके 3 है तो हमारे 4 होने चाहिए, हमारे 4 है तो उनके 5 होने, हमारे 5 होने चाहिए, उनके 4 है तो. नॉन्ग क्या करता है, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ड्रिबलिंग स्किल्स, ही इज सो गुड, ही ऑलवेज कट्स 1 or cuts 2. The moment he is cut 2, you've already created an overload. So he will be a match winner all his life because of his dribbling skills. How many Indians have you seen dribbling like that? 0. We don't even have 1. And that's why he's a match winner. Because here, see, वहाँ पे ना क्या कहते हैं बाकी जगह अकेडमीज में, they say, oh, you know, dribble ना कर, pass कर. No man, बच्चों खुला जो करने दो, ड्रिबल करो, be selfish. That is, उसके बाद once you know how to dribble, then start giving to other people. But don't not dribble in the beginning and never learn. Like, by the way, Nikhil Mali. Nikhil Mali is one of the new boys who's come into my team for the last 1 year. In fact, he's from Maharashtra. He's doing very, very well. He was the highest scorer in the Himachal League. He was the highest scorer in the Punjab League. So he's doing very well. In fact, he just had some injuries and he's not been getting his form right. But otherwise, he's one to watch out for. And I saw him at the age of 24, 25 when I discovered him, and he's doing so well.
Sir, we have a question. How we as supporters can contribute to it?
Oh,
As well.
for everyone, you can all contribute. So you can contribute by putting pressure on AIFF. How do you put pressure on AIFF? Just by making sure you are heard, man. करना पड़ेगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना. So if the least you can do is do that, then do it, man. Put pressure on them through social media. Put pressure on them this. So see, unless we make changes and we put pressure on the people in power, it's never going to change. Doesn't matter who's in power, where they are. If I'm there, anyone is there, doesn't matter. Unless somebody pushes me, I will not do better. You have to be pushed, doesn't matter who you are. So start pushing everyone. Or like we push our politicians, you have to push footballers as well. You can't, if you don't do that, then how? Thank you, Lenjing. I know you'll make me proud, bro. Thank you.
Sir, we all are proud of you. All it, entire country.
Thank you, my brother.
So, sir, we are ending the session now. So, any more questions like fans are asking?
ISL promotion. Bhai, they have promised this. And let me be this last message before Vishal Anand that you can contact me to deal with the state FA. Don't worry. Haryana mein meko pata hai problem hai. Don't worry, we're going to be doing that. Thank you, Milan. Marcelo. Okay. See, I just want to say one thing. If they don't keep their promise, that means FSDL and Reliance. Openly, I'm saying it to you guys. If you don't keep your promise of promotion and relegation, I will come and do a bhook hartal until death outside Nita Ambani's house. You can take it right in here. So they will have to do it. Because my country will only go forward when there's relegation and promotion. And जो उनका employee है Igor Stimac, वो भी यही बात कह रहा है कि कुछ साले यहाँ पे pressure ही नहीं आया ISL में, इसलिए तो फट्टी है बाहर जाके.
Sir, thoughts on India's performance in the Olympics?
That's a very long topic. Don't talk to me about it. रोना आता है. See, true people who love ये जो president है उनको बोले, it hurts, man. Unless it hurts you, then you don't love football. How can you say you lose 6-0 to UAE and doesn't hurt you? उस दिन रात को नींद नहीं आनी चाहिए सर. Komal Tatkal was one of the brightest futures, and he was ruined because he listened to his agent's advice and went and sat for 2 years on the thing instead of playing for me in the I-League, where he would have got game time and he would be earning crores right now because he was so brilliant. He needs game time.
Now
Okay,
yes,
brilliant to the all India football fans. So like, share, subscribe. You have to get to this page because I love this page as well. Thank you for having me, guys. I will. Thank you for having me. Love you all. Jai Hind. And I'm going to make sure India gets to the World Cup. Bear with me till 2034. I will make sure we get promotion and relegation. If they don't do it, I'll do the Bhook Hartal. Don't worry, guys.
Thank you, sir. Jai.
Guys, Jai Hind.